Hey besties, it's Mia here. Today we're going to be opening a Dollhouse Kit that I got yesterday for Christmas. So, we're going to pull this thing. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of opening stuff. Sometimes I break stuff. What is this? Oh, it's a house. Oh, what is this one? What is this one? I think I want to do I think I want to do this side with this one. Yeah. Goes to the side. I think these are Wait, I think there's like one up there. Oh, this is the roof. Sorry. Bruh. The rugs. Yeah, it's the people. It's standing. And we have markers. Do you think it's the color? Yeah. Okay. Just gonna blend this. And I'm gonna need some scissors. Hold on. Thank you, Mama. I know I'm opening it wrong. I don't care. Sometimes cut my finger. My hand off. I don't know professional scissors. When I was in kindergarten, I didn't know how to use scissors. Great, I'm gonna need a little bit more. I know you think I'm crazy, but trust me. Trust me. Finally got this thing up. Explain this. Alright. I don't know how to put this together. So what should we do?
Color it first.
We should color it first and then put it together. Because I don't know how the picture shows how you put it together. I think it's like blue tape, I don't know. I know coloring takes a lot of time. I hope these are pronounced. But if they're not, I'm gonna be mad by myself. This one's gonna do this. You can barely see the pink, bruh. Sorry. Do you think we're all done? That looks good.
I'm going to put the bottom piece first, which is this one.
So first, this is the bottom piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we do this, right?
Yeah.
Maybe like this, right?
That actually goes in the middle. You see these two pieces? That goes in there. You have to get it in there.
Okay. It's so hard to put on.
You have to put this in here.
And then I just have to
And then you have to put this in the side.
I always mess it up, so I'm gonna get it.
I need the metaphor. You want to put the roof on? You want to put your little people on? Yeah, it's
Alright, we are now all done, guys.
Okay, show them your house.
Alright, so this is how the house turned out. I didn't fully finish it because I didn't really want to. Because I didn't want the video to be too long. And that's how it looks like. I didn't cover the back, so that's why I don't want to show you. I just covered half of the tree. I didn't want to take a long time. Alright?